So I don't know why, but I find this really cute. Watch, if you rub her right there, she gets all happy and she's like, yes. See, she's like all, look at her tail, it's all poofy. Oh yes, yawn. Look at that tail, it's so poofy. And it's normally flat. I don't know why. I think she likes it. To look at that. Oh yes, don't bite. See, look. She's gonna try and bite me now. Such a cute baby. Let's see. Oh yes, oh look at that. Look at that. So cute. I scratched her belly and get her all mad at me. Get her all mad. Look at how poofy. Look at how poofy. Oh, my baby. So sleepy. She's wagging her tail just a tidbit. See, look. Let's see if she does it. No, she doesn't want to. She normally wags her tail. But that's okay that she didn't, huh? Panda. Hi, baby. Oh, yes. She's so good. She's so tired. Alright. I'm gonna let her go to bed. Excuse me. Such a good girl. Her tail's still poofy. Alright, there we go. Bye-bye.